Hello everyone, welcome back to another watch-in. Today, like I said, trying to bang out a video or two. We have a box opening today that will also be the start of another giveaway. If you didn't get to be part of the current giveaway, which is going to end in the next couple days, I'm going to make a video to announce the winners of that. If you can make it before then, I will link to the video below. I'm giving away two Seiko 5s. So I'll link to that video below, and maybe you can get into it before it ends. So this actually, somebody from Ritche watch bands straps reached out to me and asked if they could send me some to check out and do a giveaway on. Now the crazy thing is, I don't even know what all they sent me. So let's see what we've got here. Wow, they actually sent me a ton. So let's pull all these out and then get the box out of the way here and take a look at what we got. So I can tell you, Ritche watch straps, I've actually had some myself, and they're not bad at all for the price. So I will definitely link to, put a link below so you guys can purchase, but I'm going to give away 3 of these. Not sure which 3. I'm going to give away 3 of these to our members. I'm probably going to say I'm going to do these ones that are in the packages with the tool. So nice little gift if you're a winner. Like I said, we're going to give away 3 of these. Let's open up these other little yellow ones. Like I said, I have no clue what all they sent me. I don't know the pricing on any of these yet. Oops. So that's something else I'm going to have to look into, and when we do the follow-up and the giveaway, it'll be me looking into more of the pricing and obviously announcing the winners of the giveaway. So, wow, they hooked it up though. I am super excited. They got me so many different choices here. All right, so kind of cool. This is like looks like we got a 4-pack, which is always a plus because you can really, change the look of a watch super easy. I mean, you could take one watch, if it was a simple clean black watch with those 4 straps right there, and completely change the look 4 times with one package. And these ones are gonna all be, these are like NATO style. Oops, guess I gotta open from the top. So what we'll do, I'm gonna open this one, maybe one of these. It depends on, I gotta find a good watch to do another swapping video here. So these are nylon NATO style straps with looks like stainless hardware. And NATOs are great, especially once you're set up to just do NATOs. They're so easy to swap off, on and off. I mean, like I said, easily could change the look of a watch 4 times. It looks like maybe I've got a couple different sizes here. So depending on which ones I give away, but at least 3 of these are going to be giveaways. Maybe even all 4, but at least 3 of these will be giveaways. So if you want to be included in that, make sure you comment below. Tell me what you think of them. Definitely, I'm going to link to it, link to their product in case you guys want to go check them out yourselves and look at the pricing. So we got a nice leather strap, which actually I do have a watch or two that this would look good on. This actually might look good on one of the older Xantos I have that my dog ate the strap. So this could get swapped out onto one of those Santos. And then got another strap here. And this one actually reminds me a little bit of one I have on one of my other watches. So I do like this style here. Now, the last time I bought Ritche straps, I can tell you they were all really reasonably priced. This one's got quick release on it, which is nice. got their Ritche bands. I like this style too, so that's really cool. But yeah, I think some of the 4-packs are great value. I'll definitely dig into the pricing on them. And I think at least 3 of these, I don't even want to open them yet unless I decide I'm going to keep one of them. But at least 3 of these are going to be giveaways. So super awesome. Ritche hooked it up with a bunch of straps. Let me know what you guys think of these in the comments below. And I will share the link so you can check them out yourselves. And stay tuned for a giveaway. Definitely comment below so you can be entered in the giveaway on the straps. As always, guys, thanks for watching.